Let's talk about Domino's Pizza. So a couple different things that we see on Domino's Pizza was, sometime this month we were at like $420 per share. It was crazy. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to go ahead and enter yet. I'm going to wait for a pullback. So a couple different things that we can see is we have a lot of disequilibrium right here. Honestly, I think that Domino's Pizza has a lot more room to go in the long term, at least down to like $315 per share. So, or maybe even $300 per share, as you guys can see right here, where that last correction was and that where price broke out of. So if we go ahead and look at the weekly time frame, what we can see is prices finally broke through one of those trend lines right there, and what we can see is the next level of support would be down here at about 345 or so. So if you were going to get into that, my best bet is to keep a stop loss somewhere above here, keep it very small. Looking at the daily time frame, the only really cool thing I see about this is, let's say that this is the pullback that it needed from 425 down to 381, and price doesn't really seem to want to move any lower, especially taking a look at this cloud right here. I mean, it looks pretty strong on the daily time frame, but keep in mind the risk and the possibilities of price going right back down to about $300 to 315 on those larger time frames. So taking a look at this today, we did have some resistance and balance support off of 377, which is really good. If it can keep it up like that, maybe 2 or 3 more candles, that'll be even better. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it's definitely seeming to hold its ground right here at the price. So if you were looking to go ahead and enter somewhere around here, your best bet would be keeping a stop loss probably like 375 or so, but I wouldn't recommend any small accounts even be looking at Domino's or even trading Domino's anyways. So that's just my idea on Domino's Pizza. I can definitely see some more, downside on this stock.